Hey, Los Angeles, have you got a bold idea? Hey, everybody, I'm JD Houvener, owner, founder, and patent attorney here at Bold Patents Law Firm. And we built this page for you, Los Angeles, the greater area of the city of angels. You have got this big inspirations, big ideas, and it's actually a little scary to share them with the world. I know I've worked with a lot of inventors, a lot of founders that have got everything on the line, that have worked really, really hard in their industry, their field, and come up with something massive. Let us be your guide. Trust us with that invention and help you protect what you have come up with. We do that in a very structured way through patent searching, application drafting, and prosecution. We hone your invention to get the biggest, most valuable patent rights possible to help you get into the market and have that competitive edge for up to 20 years. So check us out. Book a free discovery call. Learn more about us, our team, and how we can help you make your dreams possible. All right, everybody, have an awesome day out there. And here's your challenge, LA, to go big, go bold.